I'm gonna teach you some courtship words that if you are if you want to court a Filipino women, okay? Now first you will ask the lady if you can court her. Okay, you say, pwede ko manguyab nimo. Pwede ko manguyab nimo. Pwede is can or possible. Ko is means you are talking about yourself. Manguyab is the act of courting. Okay? Nimo mean referring to the girl. Nimo. Okay. Pwede ko manguyab nimo. And then, of course, you don't say this kind of words if you just met the girl. Of course, you still have to do a lot of conversation with the girl. And once you are comfortable with each other and you really like the girl, then you say these words. Pwede ko manguyab nimo. Because ganahan ko nimo. Ganahan ko nimo. Ganahan means you like, you desire. Nimo, her, you desire her. Ganahan ko nimo, I really like you. Pwede ko manguyab nimo. Can I court you? Okay? And then if the girl would say, pwede, means yes. And then you can stop there, or you may proceed. If you are in the Philippines, you may proceed asking the girl if it's okay to go to your house. Then you will say, pwede ko mamisita sa inyo, ha? Pwede ko mamisita is the act of going to the woman's place. You are going to visit the girl, okay? Mamisita ni sa inyo. Inyo it's to the girl's place. Okay, and then the girl will say, "Oh, pwede, yes, you can do that." And then after a few months, maybe a few months of courtship, then you will ask the girl, "Kanus a man ko nimo sugton?" Kanus a man ko nimo sugton. Kanus a means when. Ko refer to yourself. Sugton is to the act of saying yes. Nimo, I mean referring to the girl. And then you sense that the girl likes you too. And then you can ask her, pwede na ba ta mag-uyab? Okay. Or you say, pwede na ba nga mag-uyab ta? Pwede na ba nga mag-uyab na ta? Pwede means can. Na ba, na it's already, ba it's a question marker. Mag-uyab, okay, to have a relationship. Na is already, ta means us. Okay, pwede na ba nga mag-uyab na ta? And then you follow up, then you give her another follow-up question. Gisugot na ko nimo? Gisugot means the woman already said yes. Okay, answered. Okay, gisugot na ba? Na, it's already. Ba, it's a question marker. Nako means you're referring to yourself. Nimo, you're referring to the girl. Gisugot na ba ko nimo? Okay, those are the phrases or sentences when you are courting a girl. Okay, those are just samples and there are still a lot. If you're very new, please consider subscribing. Please hit that bell subscribe button. And see you again next Wednesday for our Bisaya Word of the Week. Okay, bye-bye for now.